Linear programming. In earlier classes, we have studied linear inequalities and systems of linear inequalities in two variables and their solution by graphical method. Many applications in mathematics involve systems of inequalities or equations. In this chapter, we shall apply the systems of linear inequalities or equations to solve some real-life problems. Consider the following example. A furniture dealer deals in only two items, tables and chairs. He has rupees 50,000 to invest and has storage space of at most 60 pieces. A table cost rupees 2,500 and a chair cost rupees 500. He estimates that from the sale of one table, he can make a profit of rupees 250 and that from the sale of one chair, a profit of rupees 75. He wants to know how many tables and chairs he should buy from the available money so as to maximize his total profit, assuming that he can sell all the items which he buys. Such type of problems which seek to maximize profit or minimize cost form a general class of problems called optimization problems. Thus, an optimization problem may involve finding maximum profit, minimum cost, or minimum use of resources, etc. A special but a very important class of optimization problem is linear programming problem. The example what we have discussed is an example of linear programming problem. Linear programming problems are of much interest because of their wide applicability in industry, commerce, management science, etc.